In this video, we'll show you how to use Bitwarden Access Intelligence for enhanced risk analysis and remediation. To get started, head to the admin console in the web app and select Access Intelligence. Then click Review Applications to see a list of services currently used by your team. Now, tap the star icon to select the apps that are most critical to your organization. Adding apps allows you to enable alerts and remediate risks. You'll also see a column for at-risk members and passwords to help you prioritize security tasks. Once you're done, hit the Mark as Critical button. Next, navigate to the Critical Applications tab and click the Request Password Change button, which will send an email and pop-up alert to your members. The next time a user accesses the Bitwarden browser extension, they'll see a banner at the top of the Vault tab, allowing users to easily update any exposed, reused, or weak passwords. Back in the admin console, you can add more apps by navigating to the All Applications list and selecting the items you want to add. Then click Mark App as Critical. To remove an item from the Critical Applications list, click the three dots on the right and select Unmark as Critical. From the Activity tab, you can check the progress of password change requests. View a list of at-risk members and applications. To refresh the report, tap the Run Report button.